amate ka to.
Yung wash out guys. Welcome sa ating pangalawang second vlog. So ngayon kakatapos na natin magkape at kumain ng masarap na siomai dito sa tindahan. Rated at Goma Highlands. Yan, test ride naman natin yung ADV 160. Alright.
Tinitigan ko, nilapitan ko, hanggang sa may diwata na magdinat ko. Nalasing, kagabi, ang galing, katabi, kanabi, napating.
Ngayon, bubuhayin natin siya. Tips nga pala guys, share ko lang. Pagkabuhay nyo ng motor nyo, pagkapindot nyo ng on switch, yan. Tingnan mo na matapos yung animation sa panel yan. Kasi habang nag-animate yan, yung mga sensor niya, nagka-calibrate yun. Kaya pansinin nyo guys, pagkabuhay may parang mga umuugong na parts. Pag binuhay nyo agad habang nagka-calibrate pa, may tendency na masira yung mga sensor nyo. Yun lang, share ko lang guys.
Pwede na.
Baka nagkataray kayo, ba't madalas ako dito sa Goma Highlands? Baka kanta yung iniisip niyo.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Hindi ganun guys, kasi makamain kanto tayo, mahirap na. Baka lumuking itlog natin sa kaliwa. So yun, bale gamit natin yung helmet is HNJ. Shoutout HNJ Philippines. Bale dami nagsabi, behind lang itong helmet kasi HNJ is helmet ni Jesus. Bale yan guys, pauwi naman tayo sa bahay. Puntan tayo dun sa kaninang nilikuan natin. Kumahanan tayo sa kaliwa. Shout out nga pala dito kay ate. Excuse me po. Ito guys, yung timpla ng kape is consistent yung lasa. Hindi ka mabibigo. Kasi nga, iniisip ko, sino kaya yung kapartner ko sa twin pack, no?
Yeah, boy.
Bali, joke lang guys. Simulan natin yung rides natin. Focus muna tayo. So, dito sa video natin ito, may kita natin yung downhill, no? Tapos sa dulo, may uphill. Bali, mat-testing natin kung kaya ba talaga nitong ATV natin na umarangkada sa paahon. Pero sa experience ko guys, never naman tayong binigo nitong ating ATV 160 no, sa pagkarangkada sa paahon. Kasi madalas, wala naman tayong backride eh. Siguro nakadepende rin kung kargado yung mana natin. Lalo na pag may top box tayo, no? So, may truck sa unahan natin. Overtake natin ito guys, kasi pag nandun na tayo sa may mga kurbada, mahirapan na tayong ma-overtake dito. So, makikita natin guys yung truck dito na nahulog. Siguro nabitin yan sa ahon. Kaya payo lang guys, ingat kayo sa pagpuntot sa mga truck. Lalo na sa pahon, no? Kasi di natin alam, pabitin, mas matrasan tayo. Kaya always ride safe tayo guys. Kahit saan man tayo pupunta, no? Kaya alright, baghari dyan. Alright. Kaya ngayon, enjoy mo natin tong view, no? DJ, let's go. Teka, parang naiwan yata yung DJ natin, ah. Okay guys, ayun na, malapit na siya.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
but you don't judge. That right there is the scariest feeling. Opening and closing up again. I've been hurt, so I don't trust. Now here we are staring at the ceiling. I've said those words before, but it was a lie. And you deserve to hear them 1,000 times. If all it is to say that is, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say that is, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space? If all it is to say that is, why is it so hard to say? Isn't it amazing how almost every line on our hands align? When your hands are mine, it's like I'm holding again. Isn't that a sign? I should speak my mind. I've said those words before, but it was a lie. You deserve to hear them 1,000 times. If all it is to say that, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say that is, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space? If all it is to say that is, why is it so hard to say? When I close my eyes, it's you there in my mind. When I close my eyes, if all it is say letters, why is it so hard to say? If all it is say letters, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space? If all it is to say letters, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say letters, when I close my eyes, it's you there, it's only you. When I close my eyes, if all it is to say letters, when I close my eyes, it's you there, my mind. When I close my eyes, if all it is to say letters.
So, dito na tayo guys. Bale, pag kumaliwa ka, punta ka sa bayan. Tapos pag tumiretso ka naman, it's pupunta kang Panikilan. Tapos pag kumanan ka, punta ka naman sa Pictogo. So, overall performance naman guys, okay naman to sa ATV natin. Di naman tayo binibigo. Pero may times lang na minsan mabibitin ka sa pag-overtake. So, okay lang. Overall performance, good sa man sa ATV. So, nandito muna guys. At lobat na yung ating camera 1KT.